Are you feeling stuck in the middle of a mess? You don't need more time. You need better habits. These 10 tips will help you declutter faster, make confident decisions, and finally finish. Let's get into it. First, you want to set a timer. Pick a time, 15, 25, or 45 minutes, and race the clock. It creates urgency and keeps you from getting distracted while also keeping you from spiraling into decision fatigue. Number 2, choose one small area at a time. Don't start with the whole room. Start with one drawer, one shelf, or even one bag. Small zones equal quick wins. This is what keeps people from actually decluttering in the first place. They think they have to do the whole room at once, but that just makes you overwhelmed to the point where you don't finish what you started. If you chip away at one thing at a time, you'll start to see results and start to feel better, and it'll motivate you to keep going. Number 3, use the 4-box method. Label 4 boxes as keep, donate, trash, and relocate. No maybe piles, just decisions. This includes memorabilia and gifts. Just because they're gifts doesn't mean it deserves a place in your home. Something I like to do to still remember the gift or special item is to take a picture of it so that I have a piece of it with me without the clutter, since it's going to sit in a box anyway. Number 4, use the would I buy this again test. Ask yourself, would I buy this again today at full price? If not, maybe it's time to let it go. And remember, if it's a maybe, it's still a no because there are no maybes for this task. 5, set clear boundaries for yourself. Think about limiting your space to 1 or 2 drawers, shelves, or totes. If it doesn't fit, something has to go. Don't see it as it being a waste. What is wasteful is keeping it for no reason other than guilt or a someday. Number 6, remove clutter immediately, like now. Don't let donation bags sit around. Take them straight to your car or schedule a pickup the same day. Keeping it around will only tempt you to go through it again and keep things from it. Number 7, add music or a podcast. Decluttering doesn't have to feel like a chore. Put on a playlist or your favorite podcast. It boosts your mood and your pace. You can even invite someone to join to make it more fun and have a second opinion on whether to keep something or not. 8, don't reorganize, declutter first. This one's big. Get rid of what you don't need first, then organize what's left. If you organize as you declutter, you run into the risk of still keeping things you don't need because you end up finding a place for it instead of asking yourself if you need it or not, or if it deserves a place in your home. Number 9, create a declutter drop zone for future things. If you have items that you're still deciding on, even though I said no maybes, that's fine. Just designate a spot in your home for those items and revisit it on another day, but hold yourself accountable by deciding sooner rather than later and risking keeping it just because you're tired of trying to decide whether you should keep it or not. You can even use a basket and label it let go. And lastly, number 10, visualize the after. Close your eyes and picture the space finished, clear, clean, calm. That vision will keep you moving when your energy dips. In conclusion, decluttering faster is about energy, mindset, and action, not perfection. Try just one of these tips today and let me know in the comments what's your biggest clutter zone right now. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to live more intentionally. I'll see you guys later.